Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do unboxing for these. I started doing the unboxing on my other phone, ran out of space, so it is what it is. So here we go. I got this stuff that I'm holding in front of me right now from Red Iguana from April Ryan, and this is a free gift that I got for purchasing the stuff that I purchased. So here we go. I got this stand. As you can see, if you see a stand, that means I have bought a Red Iguana hand. I needed practice, and the one that I have is so damaged that yeah, I don't even use it anymore if you guys haven't noticed. So this is the stand. It comes with two clips on both sides. As you can see, it's really strong clips, and this is also very strong, so you know when you put the hand on there, okay, this will hold it up because it has some strength to it. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure try that out. I will let you guys know how that works. This I also got, look at that, this box is so adorable. Look at that, man, it's so cute. And bam, I got some practice fingers for when you know you just want to do a single finger design. And you know, yeah, anyways, I got two of them. I got two different colors. I will put the names of these ladies in the description below, but I got two different colors because one is for me and one is for my daughter, for when we are practicing and I'm teaching her how to do something, or she's teaching me how to do something, because y'all know she do bomb hand painted designs, and I want to learn. So there we go. And I got a free ring. I got a free ring to go on the fingers, you know, just when you're finished doing your designs and you want to pose it, it goes bam. Wow, that is so pretty. That is too cute, guys. I love it. Okay, so there I got two fingers, and this right here is the how to use silicone practice hand slash finger, and these are the instruction on this. On this, I guess it's, you know, in detail, so you know, if you want, you could take a screenshot of that so you could read it for yourselves, but I'm not gonna read it right now. I'm just gonna open up the other box so you guys can see the actual practice hands that I got. And I do say hands because I bought it for both of us, one for me, one for her. And okay, hold up, I think this is a thank you note, but it has a coupon code, and I don't know if I should show y'all my coupon code because I might want to use it to purchase something else on there. So it has a thank you card on there, and it says thank you for your order, and it's also another how to use a silicone practice hand, and this one I can give one to my daughter and one to myself, so we know how to take care of our hands. And the thank you note is on the back of that. The hands also came with, I think that's it. Okay, the hands also came with a wristband and another ring. So without further ado, let me roll these babies out. Yes, I got chocolate hands. I got her, I think her name is Beyonce. Let me take this out. You know, I'm a brown skin lady, so I had to get me some chocolate hands for myself. I do mostly dark skin clients, so it's more true to life for me. Ooh, I love her tone. She's so beautiful. Taking her right out the package, she's so pretty. It's not super heavy like I would have thought it would be. And it's super realistic looking. And oh yes, I got the hands that you can move back and forth, so she's a posable hand. So yeah, all her fingers, they can move. And I guess this is where her ring goes. I think this is a real person because you can see where the ring is, where her ring was. So I can put the ring on and the bracelet to make you see how this works. I'll put it on her and then I will open up the other hand so you can see that. I know I'm not organized as an unboxer. I'm not an unboxer queen, but whoa, look at that. She look bossy. Okay, she look bossy as crap. All right, let me open up this. Okay, here we go. With this ring, I thee wed. Yes, you're mine for always. Always. Here we go. She is now mine. Yep, because this is a left hand, so we're definitely married. So, ooh. Yes. Oh my gosh, guys. Beautiful. That is so beautiful. And that's number one. And that's the left hand. That's the left hand. So I'm going to unbox the right one. And they come in these beautiful bags. So, you know, you don't mess up your stuff. But here we go. This is the right hand. And they look different from each other. They sure do. They look kind of different. But you can definitely use them as a set. And if I want to do, you know, a little pose, she'll be right there. Hold on. Let me move this box out of here. Okay, and I could just pose her fingers like so. And I could have her do that. And that's it. That's what I want to be able to do. I want to work on my time because I always complain. You guys know I will always complaining saying that it takes me 2 hours to do a set. And I want to be able to finish in an hour and a half, which sometimes I do because I don't count in me removing the old set into the 2 hours. So I think I do a set in less than 2 hours, to be honest, but I always calculate that in, and I want to be able to remove the set and finish up a set and finish in like an hour and a half. So I still want to be able to do it in an hour and a half with removing off the nails as well. So I'm trying to, you know, catch up on my practice time. I really love the silicone hand. I'm glad that it's posable, and I'm glad that I have 2 hands that I can be able to go ahead and, you know, do both sets and time myself and get them done. I love the nail beds. I'm going to try out some nails on these babies. So just give me a second. Let me put that over there. I have these nails because I didn't purchase any nails today from them because I knew I had nails that I could use. But yeah, she's grabbing up all the fur off the thing right here. But yes, let's see if we can find her a set. Okay, so I'm gonna take the big one for the thumb, and I never put the nails in on this in this way. I could, and it looks just fine. You see, I love how they you just slide them in. They slide in really nicely, and they fit in the curves. But I like to put them in like this because I think that fits it much better from sidewall to me. And it makes me don't have to do any work. All I have to do is go ahead and start my set. All I have to do is glue my tips on and boom, it's already look like it's prepped. So that's a trick that I like to do. I'm going to be doing the pinky. As I said, look how easy. Pinky. And I don't know if I have bigger ones for the other fingers. Yeah, maybe a little too small. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get one for this finger right here. Nope, these are so tiny. Okay, here we go. I have a big one for the middle finger. There we go. And I have another one for this. No, it's too small. Too small. Too small. I don't know. I used up all the other sizes already. I should have just bought some tips. See, when you go ahead and think you have something and you don't. That's what happened to you, you know. That's what happened. So I just need one more to fit in this one. There we go. Okay, here we go. Save my life. Okay, finally. All right. Okay, so if the tips weren't not such a big pain in the butt, that would have been a quicker transaction. But as you guys can see, now she is prepped and ready for me to do a set. And her hands set just like a regular person with this finger going on the side and whatever. And she is now ready to get a set done. These nails aren't going anywhere, but you can always glue them down. They tell you the glue that is recommended to be used on these. She used Gorilla Glue all the time. So, and you are going to want to go ahead and get the primer and everything that goes with the practice hand, and read your instruction manual that you do not destroy your hand, because these are not cheap. They're very beautiful. The reason I got it is because I'm going to be starting nail school, and I wanted a new practice hand to be working on when I actually start school. So that is the reason why I got it. It's not just because, oh, I feel like spending all this money and I don't have money. I am going to school and I'm going to be practicing, and my daughter needed something to practice with, so we got these, and I love them, and I can't wait to start doing my sets on these beautiful hands. This is her with the nails in, prepped and ready, and this is her without nails. And also, if you don't have full coverage tips, don't dismay, don't worry. I'm gonna show you how to use her also with regular tips. Hold on a second. Come on. It just slid to the back of the drawer. Okay, so these are the regular tips that I have. And I'm going to put them in the same way that I just put in the other tips. I'm going to put them in on the back way, like so. That one is too small. So because I'm putting them in backwards, I have to use a bigger size tip. So you want to push them in like this, and then you see how it covers the nails perfectly well. With this one, you would have to clip the corners off and actually shape it yourself. But as you can see, this is super easy to add tips to. It's way easier than any other silicone hand that I've had before. I really would recommend buying it, because that was super easy for me to insert those tips. Just, you know, you want to use a bigger size for her, since she's going to be turned this way. She need a bigger size. Okay, you see how easy and pain-free this transition is. You just go ahead and boom, add it, and you don't even have to clip those corners off, to be honest. I don't think you have to. You just can leave them and just glue your tips right onto them. But I would recommend clipping them off, just because it would look more realistic if you did. So I would just do that. And that is her with the tips turned backwards, and that is her with the regular tips turned backwards. You have to clip the tips off to make it work, but this is her with the full coverage tips cut off. So either one of these tips that you have, you can do your set. It's no big problem. I just like to figure out ways how to get stuff done. You see, there's no space, guys. No space in the corners, so you won't have any space showing. Everything is nice and neat, and this is the easiest way how you can do this. And all you need is your nail clipper, and you just clip these corners off, and she's perfect. She's ready to go. I just want to just clip at least one of them so you can see for yourself that I'm not talking about any foolishness. Okay, and the nice thing is that her fingers are movable, so you can move the other ones out the way while you're clipping and shaping. So there she is without any filing. You can go ahead and start gluing on your tips, but I would recommend taking off the shine off the nails and clipping off those points, and boom, boom. Silicone practice hand, brand new. It's time to work on my set. I'm going to be doing a set, so look out for my next video. I will be uploading my set and the time that it took me to do this set of nails. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're not yet following me on all my social medias, their links will be in the description below. And as I said, I'm going to school this January, so if you would like to donate to my nail school journey, my Cash App is Bflycash. It will also be in the description below. Please, 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 anything that you can send, anything that you can spare will be widely appreciated.